guys have fun?
Yeah, my brother's on the side of his truck playing video games.
No, I have my drone up in the air.
His drone's directly ahead of see the red light?
I thought it was a video game.
It is pretty much. You can just fly that motherfucker anywhere you want and scout it out. Where's the party at? That's crazy. That motherfucker's up there too.
No, I go way higher than that.
I know that.
So is that here?
Yeah, it's right up there.
It's right there. Right above you.
The red dot up there.
He's flying.
See, we're down there.
Yeah, they're breaking the rules. That's one thing I actually did today is read the rules before I came here.
Fireworks?
No fireworks, no blast, no guns.
I always love to bring a lot of fireworks for my birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy B-Day.
It's not your birthday anymore, man. That was a couple days ago.
Yo, it's my birthday for this whole fucking weekend, okay?
Princess.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
When was your birthday?
Thursday.
That's how you got the concrete slab.
Where are we going?
Oh.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah, okay.
I like the style. Thank you.
We did brag. It was my birthday.
When did you come? Thursday?
Yeah. We got here like
After I talked to you?
Thursday. Yeah. I was gonna have your boy fix it, but I had somebody else fix it, and then I broke it again.
Yeah,
Wait, let me see. That's the drone
Yeah,
footage?
it's right up there.
Yeah, it's live.
Straight up ahead of us.
Huh.
What do you guys want to see?
Got it fixed, and I had the sports car driving.
Let's go see what that is.
Right? The brightest
Wherever the most
light.
light is.
Yeah, exactly.
It's probably a fire.
Looks like it.
Looks like a big ass fire.
Oh, what? It gets like so much more clear as it moves in. Does it get like more like night vision looking?
It's just closer. That's the tablet screen going up and down. There.
Really?
There we go.
Huh?
Pretty big. So we'll make this thing so small. I know it's not like this. I can make it.
Look at this.
So it's the sponsor.
Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the vendors probably.
Yeah, that's where we are right there.
Oh, cool. What's that big orange light?
I feel like there's nothing over here, but there's a lot of lights, that's for sure.
Yeah.
These people just dug in real deep.
I feel like they're
There's a
breaking
big party.
I feel like they're breaking a lot of stuff up now. What's over there?
Alright, see you tomorrow.
You said they're breaking a lot of stuff up?
Yeah, I think so.
Why would they do that?
I think they're so something around like 2 a.m. and they start kind of like.
Oh, is it curfew?
No, well,
It's just kind of frowned upon to
I
do.
don't know.
like-
The guy at the.
I was by
at the
myself
gate-
last night driving around until the sun came up, so.
Yeah, but there was no one out there. They can't. They have to like try
Yeah.
to enforce some sort of rules.
But
so
if
there's not
there's
that
nobody
many.
out there, they have easier control over me.
Yeah.
When there's a lot of people, they have no control.
Oh, look, they did take it out for a little. That's awesome.
It's a beast.
Yeah, looks like it.
This thing has like a light too, like a floodlight. I can't tell what the fuck that is. Looks like a spaceship.
I know there's somebody's house here. I don't know where are you?
Yeah.
Oh.
What'd you say?
No, I don't know that Brian went to sleep. I miss that sound. I miss my diesel.
Yeah.
That's power. I don't have no power. But we still make it do shit.
Yeah. This will be great for during the day. You can probably see
Yeah, during the day you'll
everything.
see everything.
Oh, 100. Yeah, it's got a 4K camera. But I got this spotlight too. Like I can.
Alcohol abuse. In my
I don't
boo-boo.
care.
I don't even want to sleep. I don't even want to care about it. I think they started to try to cook everybody down at like 2. I think they tried to shut everybody down at like 2.
There's a party.
You got invited?
Well, it might just be someone's campsite.
The address.
There was the address.
It's got a map.
Send the coordinates.
It's not a campsite.
Yeah, that's certainly
What?
a campsite.
No, dude, they're partying, man.
Oh, that looks like the same thing with the speakers. Oh no, that's different. Those are different.
A whole bunch of expensive equipment.
No, it's not a campsite. They're in a pit.
Yeah,
It is a fucking campsite.
No, they're not. They're in a mud
Party,
pit.
goddammit.
it's a
Yeah,
party.
but they're in a mud pit. It's not a campsite.
That's a party.
It's a party.
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 Party, party, party. Tomorrow I'm going in.
Can you literally do that? Can you like send us coordinates? Like how?
Yeah, no, I can pull it up on the map. It'll show me exactly where it is.
Yeah.
Fucking sick, bro. This is insane. And you're right.
How
Like they have
close
no
down are
idea.
you on
Like,
that?
I'm pretty close.
oh look, the one you're.
He's waving.
I got the spotlight on too.
Oh, you're probably bugging them the fuck out.
Feds.
I'm just afraid. Like I'm waiting for like a really big truck to be next to it and me just fucking slam into it, thinking it's
Like
like
someone just whap it.
I got plenty of clearance.
Or a drunk ass redneck just like, BOM!
You still have the spotlight on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Turn this off. Oh, look at this guy.
Hey, he's having to get away. Skirt.
This is awesome, babe. I want a drone. Then we can really make music videos.
Do something cool. If I was on top of staying on top of the Hummer too, the transmission would be even better.
Can you like click on it so it moves with it?
So look, yeah, I can. Oh, hold on.
And then a canal.
Oh, it's too dark. It can't recognize the.
Oh, what? Yeah,
It can't see like the outer limits of it. Oh, what's going on over here?
Party still.
I'm gonna have to change the battery in a minute.
How your mom? I think your mom's gonna like it here.
Oh my god, she's gonna be like, you guys are crazy.
You better get her here November 4th.
Alright, I'll talk to her about it.
That's Redneck Yacht Club.
She was asking me when to come.
Redneck Yacht Club. Your mom better come.
We just
we-
work at the same time?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That's beautiful.
We need her mom to be here in November for Redneck.
You guys
That was a moment.
You're so meant
Well,
to
we're gonna
be.
get her mom to come on November for the Redneck Yacht Club. So her mom can send me.
Your mom lives here?
No, New York.
New York.
We're gonna fly.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna fly her in to come with us.
How old is she?
My mom?
She's fun. Just get her drunk. She's cool.
She's a mom of New York City. I mean, how old are you?
I'm 27. I don't
she's
even know.
50 maybe?
Yeah, she's like 55.
She'll probably school us, Mom, to be honest with you. I know my mom will school me. She's still schooling me.
Her mom will get a little.
Mom, we don't hang out.
She'll get wine drunk.
Yeah.
Don't they all?
We'll
Hey,
get her
yo,
a
wine
little bottle
fucks
of
you up,
wine.
bro.
She'll hang out at the
Bottle of wine.
trailer.
We'll get her dirty.
We'll take her on like one ride around.
Whether it's a fucking dirty or the daily, we'll get her dirty.
She's already dirty. She just doesn't like showing it.
Dirty.
What does Cheek say? You dirty bird.
Yeah.
Dirty fucking bird, you.
You on the party?
Dirty fucking bird.
We had the party. And
No,
then-
we're.
What happened to the fucking party,
I think
bro?
it's like right by us right now. I think so. Hope so. I think we're over there.
Yeah, you right there.
No. I see it coming this way.
What the fuck is that thing?
No, that's a storm, man. Look,
That?
it's coming. Look
That's
right
a
above you. Look
planet.
right above you.
Oh, yeah,
That thing's
right
moving.
Right there.
Yeah, but that thing's moving. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah,
No,
that's
definitely
gangster
It's
as
like
fuck, bro.
Jupiter or something.
Yeah, that's a planet.
And it's like a fucking Xbox controller.
Right?
Look at it. The controller itself it's easy to control.
Yeah, if you know what you're doing.
You have to get used to it, obviously, but
Yeah. It's hard to. It's kind of hard at first. You have to be careful too, because if you like
Well,
crash,
you can go any.
How many triggers you got up top?
Just 2 in the gimbal.
That's your left and right, right? Like boom, boom.
No. Oh shit! What happened?
What?
Oh, yeah, there it is.
You die?
That was scary. No. The battery is dying though. I got plenty of time.
Anyways,
I've been recording this whole thing.
is that you?
Yeah.
Tomorrow I would spend a good hour. Like around 12. Everybody's awake, everybody's out and about. Prime time. And then you really can see everything.
Oh, I mean, it's got a 4K camera. It's just not night vision.
I'm saying tomorrow 12 prime time.
Yeah.
Everybody's gonna be fucked up drunk. Where was that one party at?
Somewhere over there, I think.
Yeah, it's in the back corner. I mean,
But I can take this like 3,000 or 4,000 feet in the air. See the whole thing in one little frame.
did you have to register it?
No. Well, it is
How long
registered.
ago did you buy it?
A couple months ago.
A couple months?
Yeah, I had another one
And they
before.
didn't
Yeah, soon. Right there.
feel like it feels so far away from here, but dude, that shit is smooth.
Just want to hit these fucking random ass power lines that are fucking scattered around.
And the makeshift power lines. They probably didn't get approved for those. Watch, put the spotlight on, watch. Let's see it. That's hilarious.
Got 'em.
That is great. Wait, you captured a...
No, so there's a spotlight on the bottom of this fucking thing.
No, I seen the spotlight. Does it capture a picture?
Well, I'm recording the whole screen, but that spotlight's pretty damn bright, dude. You'll see it in a second.
Yeah, that's high. How many feet would you say that is right now?
We're at 26 meters. It's like 80 feet, something like that.
And that's how, yeah, that shit's bright, bro.
But during the day, I mean, it's much better. It's just not designed for.
That's crazy. How much did you spend for that?
Not that much, man. It's like
Couple
11,
hundred
1,200,
or-
something like that.
11, 1,200. So you went to the commas. It's not worth it.
Are you kidding me?
Anything other than a stack or more for one of these things? No, it's not worth it.
Oh yeah. Oh damn it! No. Why'd you do that,
Brace the impact of my foot.
dude? How did that not fucking break anything? Jesus. Oh, thank you so much, man. Fuck. I just got some fucking bunch of fucking goons broke into my fucking Hummer.
Where do you
This
live?
was like a month, dude. Like right across from where Phil lives, like
You have a house?
in Lakes of
You have a
Sherbrooke.
house or you rent it?
Yeah, no, I own it.
How long have you been out there?
4 years. 4
That's
years.
a nice area, bro.
Dude, I love it. My house is sweet.
It's quiet. I don't
but
see the
my,
neighbors being too fucking...
Yeah, man, it's open.
Mostly
Yeah,
greedy,
yeah,
whatever.
you got to deal with some politicking sometimes. Fucking like, smack some people around, but
But yeah, the only ones you're dealing with that on that aspect are the ones that've been there 10 plus years.
yeah.
Other than that, everybody's fairly new, no?
Dude, those houses go pretty quick.